All right, I'm back. My Publix heist for the week. This is $120.90 with the goods all said and done. I had an overage moneymaker of $15.24, and as always, that total includes the tax. Got to keep it real here on our coupon boast here. All right, this for the week of July 27th to August 2nd, or July 26th to August 1st if you live up north out of the state of Florida. I'd be lying if I'm gonna say I'm gonna do this every week. But please subscribe to my channel. But yeah, just too busy kind of to do it every week. But I'm here now, giving you these deals, and had a big money maker. I think it's been about over 3 months since I made a video. A lot of just haven't been to the grocery store in those 3 months. Have not been couponing, haven't been to the grocery store in those 3 months. Just had so much stuff. I'm just trying to eat through everything and sell everything else. All the stuff I don't need. As I'm not gonna lie and say blah blah blah. I do sell it. I mean, come on. Well, yeah. So I bought something, I didn't need it. I sell it on eBay. 5 eBay accounts. Okay, but yeah. So that's what I do with a lot of the stuff. You know, money maker, and it's definitely really a money maker because I sell. I'm calculating I'm getting about 60% of the retail price. All right, put me in jail now. All right, here we go. All right, let's just get into these deals. Some of these deals, you can't do because I did them yesterday. Most of them you can do, and Motrin, the Motrin IB. This was just the killer, and I wanted to do it. I had this Save a Lot coupon that was this week. That was $10 off of 50. I had to do it. Thank you, the Sadlick family. That's actually the house that I bought. The previous owner just came in my mailbox. I'm like, it's a sign. I got to do it. Motrin IB, 10.99 for these guys. Four of them will bring you at 43.96. They're BOGO this week, so I got two of them for 21.99. Publix digital coupon, 5 off of 15. So I took 5 off. It was an activate reward. Back with not a 10 at this time, but the activate reward for this. If you spend 20, you get $5 back. So I haven't gotten that yet, but I'm confident I will. From the extra savings, there was an extra savings coupon. It did expire yesterday. I used 4 of those. That was another $12 to the good. And there was a manufacturer coupon from the July 9th save, which it's hard for me to get these. So, but if you had 4 of those, yeah, $8 to the good. And I don't know. I don't think people use paper coupons. It's dying. The coupon is dying. It's all ibotta. It's digital coupons. Regardless, 21.98 spent, $5 back from the Publix digital coupon, $5 from the Activate Rewards, $12 from the store coupons, $8 from the manufacturer coupons. Made these 4 Motrin and $8.02 overage moneymaker. Good start. All right, too good. Yes, too good of a start. There we go. Too good smoothie and too good yogurt. You gotta. I bought 4 of them of the too good smoothies because I had $1. I bought a rebate. They're $1.89. And they're BOGO, so $1.89, and even for 4 of them it cost $7.56. For the yogurts, they're $1.67, so for 2 of them it costs $3.34. However, both of them are BOGO, so the two good smoothies for 4 of them cost me $3.78, and I had $1 about a rebate. I used 4 of those, so that made that a 22-cent overage for those guys. And for these guys, they were BOGO at $1.67. 75 cents for the about a rebate. And actually, another dollar came off. It was actually 75 and $1 because it took one of these off. But you might get $1.50. I got $1.75 back. And then I got a 50-cent about a bonus for both of them. So it was a 58-cent overage for those, 22-cent overage for those. Detail breakdown below the video as always, so you can see what I'm talking about. Gogurt, I bought 4 of them. Regular price for these guys are $3.25. So for 4 of them, it cost you $13. They're BOGO, so you get 4 of them for $6.50. There's $1.50 off of 2 Publix digital coupon. So I had that clipped. I got all my Publix digital coupons clipped, all of my Ibotta rebates selected, as you should too, if you're going to be serious about couponing here. And 50-cent Ibotta rebate. I think a limit of 5, so 4 I was good. 50 cent times For that was two more dollars to the good. Fetch gave me 2,000 points, which is equivalent to $2. And coupons.com or Shopium, I believe it's Shopium now, but I use coupons.com and it still sent me the money, $1.50 off of two. So made those four Gogurts a 50-cent overage moneymaker. Always discreet pad. Regular price is $5.99, no tax here. In the state of Florida, they're on sale for $2 off, so that makes it $3.99. From the July 9th save, also there is, well, that's where the coupon was. It is a $3 off coupon. It's scanned, so 99 cents for that guy right there. Lucky Charms bars. I got these Lucky Charms bars. They are $4.19, so for both of them, it cost you $8.38. However, the bogo, you get both of them for $4.19. About a rebate, there is a 50-cent back, limit of one, so I got 50 cents to the good. 2,000 fetch points, that's $2 to the good, and bought any item rebate, I throw that on there. So it was $1.58, $1.59 for both those boxes. Ben Gay, this is another deal that expired yesterday, but they're $8.79 for these guys, and the so two of them would cost $17.58. They're BOGO, so you get both of them for $8.79. Same coupon, but it did expire yesterday. $3 back and $3 back for both of those, made that $2.79. And let me get into something before I forget, because I went to the Publix that accepted Save a Lot coupons. I'm all excited. I got my coupons ready. I'm ready to go, and bam, there was no Motrin. They were sold out. Deflated, obviously deflated, but think, and this is the tip. This is like couponing 301 here. Get a rain check. The rain checks are back, so I definitely got a rain check at that store, so I can do the back end. This is where really getting coupon smart here. Get the coupons, because these are not going to be available when you go back and use your rain check. So get enough of the coupons, get your rain check. Obviously deflated, disappointed, but I got the rain check, so I can do it again. But I did end up going, okay, now I'm really going to get good for you. So when they're out, take a picture of the label or whatever, go to customer service and say, hey, do you have more of these, or can you tell me of another store? So you hand them, I actually take a picture of where it is on the shelf, and they scan the label with their phone. And then with the Publix Pro, it's the app that only employees have. It'll tell you what other stores have it. And then they'll say to you what store. But you say to them, look, in the top left corner, there's a button that says search other stores. And then kind of in the middle, there's a button that says my district. So you kind of walk them through it. I walk them through how to use their app. And it'll bring up all the stores in their district that have these. So I found the store that had like 26 of them or whatever, and 32 of them or whatever, and you go to that store. So that's a very good tip. That's a very advanced tip. The employee might even say, how did you know that? Why? They're like, wow, I just learned something from you today. Anyways, regardless, all right, let's keep going. But regardless, you're upset, good deal, moneymaker deal, they're out. Get yourself a rain check and get yourself the coupons when you're at it, because those coupons won't be available when you come back to use the rain check, and they will accept the coupon. I know it's expired, but it was valid during the rain check period, so they will accept it. At least they did 5 years ago. So, but they still do. All right, let's keep going. Where were we? Lucky Charms bars. Yeah. Okay, Ben Gay, we did that. Oh, yeah, Chapstick, the last one. And this is no longer available. $1.92. Publix digital coupon, store coupon, made that an 8-cent overage moneymaker for that guy. So, I'm gonna get the moneymakers when they're there. All right, let's keep going. Let's get to some more deals here. Kate's Bar, not at every store, but if you can find it, it's $2.50 for this guy, and it's on sale for $2.10. But there is a Publix digital coupon for an absolutely free one. So whether it's $2.50 or $2.10, it's totally free. So pick that up. Help me build up to my 50. I also had a $2 off a 10 Publix perk. I took $2 more off, so I got $12 off my total. All right, Chex Mix bars, kind of the same kind of deals. This is not at every store either. I did find the store that had it. $4.69. So for two of them, cost you, $9.38. 918. 938. Okay, 938. They're bogos, so they were $4.69 for both of them. About a has 50 cents back on each box. Fetch also gives you 2,000 points, and I think I had some more fetch points or something. Anyways, came to like $1.69 for both of those. All right, Munk pack. Or oh nope, let's get the Band-Aid. Band-Aid is a deal like from the new Extra Savings book that came out today. That is, and there is also from the July 16th save. You get $1 off and manufacturer coupon, and you use the $2 off store coupons. Total price is $2.49, and you're getting $2 and $1. You're getting $3 to get you 51-cent overage on those. Not sure if there's a limit on that. I just got one, but 51-cent overage on the Band-Aid gauze Munk pack. Nah, definitely not at every store. I did have a bougie store that had these things. These are these are definitely not at every store, but they are $2.50 each, and they're BOGO, so you get two of them for $2.50. Great deal. And then of course Ibotta has a free one, $2.49 back, and then also gave me the credit for 25 cents because I bought two of them, two more 25 cents. I don't know how that happened, but anyway, so 49 cents over for those. As I mentioned before, I had the Save a Lot coupon, competitor coupon that gave me $10 off my total, and I had check your Publix digital accounts. There was a 10, when you spend $10 you get a $2 off. So once again, let's see, $120.90 worth of stuff here, and I had an overage moneymaker of $15.24. So maybe I will be back a week, 2 weeks, maybe next week, who knows, whenever I run out of food again. Well, I didn't run out, but I just went out and did the couponing this week. And couponing, 2.5 years, had a money maker pretty much every week. Gave you guys some inside details when I was talking about the rain checks and search other stores. So hey, take that away from this video if you can. Subscribe to this video, hit the like button.